this thing's recording. I'm just running some tests on the new helmet with the Purple Panda mic and the GoPro and all of that. Now this one is running at 2K, 24 frames a second. I think it was a 148 shutter speed. So we'll see what this one looks and sounds like. I guess it would help if I latch my helmet. So hopefully this comes out good. And I gotta stop and get gas. Oh, and it's a wide view, not a super wide. And then when we get to the gas station to get some go-go juice, because I need some, I will change the settings and we'll see what that does. I have to head up to Johnson City. We got to get our taxes done today. And I'll tell you, it feels really nice to actually be out on the bike again. It's been almost a month. Make sure I got the vents closed. Oh yeah, no, my visor is up right now. And sorry for the camera going all over the place, but it's a balmy, I don't even know what the hell the temperature is. $52 degrees. Like I said, I mean, this helmet, it doesn't feel like anything even remotely like a half helmet, but it doesn't, far from feels like a full-faced helmet. Now I got a balaclava on too, so that's a little tight. Let's get this helmet strapped up. So we change it to 1080p, 60 frames a second. There's old Tusculum College, one of the oldest colleges in America, is my understanding, built in 1794. We're doing 1080. Oh, that last one was 27K at 60 in Super View. I think I said 1080. This one is 1080, 30 frames a second in wide. That's a nice house. So now we're gonna go up over that mountain. That's right, I'm just gonna go right there, right that way. Think the Harley will make it? These are some nice wide sweep turns. There's a couple sharp ones up here. Alright, there's part of the Nolan Chucky. Now, one thing I have noticed, and I don't know if anybody else does, as soon as you put a full-faced helmet on, I get an itch on my ear, on the top of it. Something I can't get to. I don't know if anybody else gets that or not. I don't know if you can see it through the trees. That's the Nolan Chucky River. And as we go through the mountain pass, we're going to come into ERWIN. It's kind of tough to steer the bike when you're, you know, trying to keep the camera on the river. I mean, I got my eyes pointed forward, but still a little difficult. Okay, enough of that. Got enough of a headache. Like I said, I don't know what the speed limit is through here. We're doing 40. Ooh, that temperature just felt like it took a drop. Didn't say it did, but nah, whatever. Now with sunglasses on and the dark shield, oh, I forgot the shield. Now does anybody else get that? As soon as you put the shield down, you get a damn itch on your nose. What the hell? I put the shield down because the sun was right in my eyes, and now it ain't. I don't think I'd want to live there. Anywhere down there, that's a old riverbed. You never know when those things might come back to life. So this is the 107. Coming up into ERWIN, Tennessee. It's a small mountain town, really cute. They have the Apple Festival every year. Real nice. My wife likes to go to it. I went to it once, and it's kind of like wearing a full-faced helmet all the time. I was just so claustrophobic, and I actually started getting heart palpitations. And what in the hell are we doing? Trump 2020. Woo! I don't know, the trailer said that. Hey, we finally passed the speed limit sign that says 30. And lo and behold, we're doing 40. And we're riding our brake down the mountain. We're going down. It's not overly steep. I mean, I wouldn't want to be a tractor trailer or a truck hauling something heavy coming down it, but it's not overly steep. And we're coming right into the town of ERWIN now. If we ever get there. Snow up on that mountain. Now right under, this is Interstate 26. Now we can go left right underneath this, and it will take us just a bypass because the railroad used to come through here, so the railroad built the bypass bridge that goes over the tracks, because when the trains used to come through, I mean, you could sit for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. This is part of downtown ERWIN. That right there is the bypass, and the train yard, it closed down, and I hate seeing that. I really do. I figured we'd just take the go in through town. It's nicer. So, what do you guys think? Let's see, we did 2.7K wide at 24 frames a second. That was video number 1. We did 2.7K, which I thought was 1080, but it was 2.7K at 60 frames a second at super wide. And now this one, 1080 at 30 frames a second at wide. I might try one more. I might try this setting at super wide and see what that does. Alright, well, like I said, we're on our way to Johnson City. Maybe I'll pick you back up there. Hope you enjoyed the mountain ride, even though it was behind somebody doing, 30 miles an hour.